Hey everyone, Ashley here with another Corjl tips and tricks. When setting up your listings, you can add both designs and instructions to your listings. Your instructions will need to be created as a design, and then once you create a listing, you can designate them as instructions. To set a design as an instruction, you will need to create a new listing or open an existing one. Once you are in a listing, you can then navigate to the Instructions tab. Now you can simply drag and drop the design from the left from your design gallery over into the instructions section like so. There are a few settings you can choose to enable, such as whether or not you would like the instructions to be included in any orders, or if they will appear in the demo or not. Additionally, there is a setting to check if you want the instructions to show in a modal first when the customer opens the order. Now you have a designated section for instructions where you can manage them. And for an added tip, be sure to add your instructions to a category so you can find all your instructions much quicker. Catch you next time for another Corjl tips and tricks.